In this video, I show you how to fix Play Store. Something went wrong, no internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Then try again problem. If you're facing this problem, in this video I show how to fix this problem. For fixing this, first of all check that your internet connection is working. For example, try open YouTube app. If open YouTube app, now your internet connection is working. Then follow the second method. Go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on it. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open Play Store. Now I hope that this method fix Play Store. Something went wrong. No internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.